And it is day 2 of the India Alliance delegation visit to the violence-hit state of Manipur. The delegation of 21 MPs met the victims of the viral video, followed by a meeting with the Manipur governor. The opposition MPs shared a memorandum of their observations with the governor, where the opposition MPs alleged complete breakdown of law and order in the state, calling the governor to restore peace and normalcy. The delegation is set to raise these observations in the parliament on Monday.
लोगों के बीच जो अविश्वास की वातावरण पैदा हो चुकी है, उसको निवारण करने के लिए सबको एकजुट होकर पहल करना जरूरी है। हम भी सहमत जताए और अगले दिन हम भी मणिपुर की मसला समाधान करने के लिए केंद्र की सरकार पे सदन में मौका मिलते ही अपनी तरफ से हम दबाव डालेंगे। आप लोगों की बदौलत हमारे हिंदुस्तान की सरकार को जो ज्यादा देर ना करते हुए हमारे अविश्वास प्रस्ताव को स्वीकारते हुए जल्द से जल्द मणिपुर की हाल निकालने के कोई चर्चा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मणिपुर की हाल दिन पे दिन बिगड़ते जा रहे हैं। इसमें हमारे देश की हमारे सिक्योरिटी की खतरा पैदा होते जा रहे हैं।
And my colleague sends us this report after the opposition parties met the Manipur governor. Let's take a look.
The opposition party delegation has just met the governor of Manipur, which was, headed by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and other members of the parliament. There were 20 MPs who reached to Manipur, and now they are coming out from the governor's house. This was a clear-cut point by them that whatever they have seen, whatever they have observed, they will be telling it to the governor. These are the specific pointers on which a memorandum has been given. You can see these vehicles which are coming out. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary had just stepped out. He will be talking to the media regarding what have they observed so far in this particular move which was taken by the INDA. There were a series of questions which were raised by them regarding the statement which has come out from the Chief Minister himself, which is talking about the biometric system. They have been talking about that how the victims have faced this kind of trauma when they were sexually assaulted by the mobsters in Manipur. So this is a message which they will be taking back to Delhi in the parliament. Certainly these issues will be raised by